What form of energy do you use? Do you prefer to heat your water and homes with oil or petrol? If the answer to this question is yes, why don't you think of being more environmentally friendly? Nowadays, alternative sources of energy are gaining popularity. They're also known as renewable sources of energy. For example, you can install solar panels on the roof of your house and you get free, never-ending source of electricity and heat. Nowadays, more and more people believe that we should stop using coal and oil to get energy. Instead, we should use the renewable sources of energy. To talk about them, we need some words. Alternative energy, альтернативная энергия, alternative energy source, альтернативный источник энергии, coal, уголь, dam, дамба, плотина, flow, течь, fossil fuels, ископаемые виды топлива, fuel, топливо, gas, газ, generator, генератор, lake, озеро, oil, нефть, pie chart, круговая диаграмма, pollute, загрязнять, power, снабжать энергией, reservoir, водохранилище, rooftop, крыша, solar cell, элемент солнечной батареи, solar power station, солнечная электростанция, tower, башня, trap, запирать, ловить, ловушка, западня, waste, отходы, wind turbine, ветряная турбина,